Hey guys, there is a simple mnemonic to remember the causes of chronic cough, that is chronic cough. C stands for chronic obstructive pulmonary disease and H stands for heart failure. R stands for reflux, that is gastroesophageal reflux disease, and O stands for occupational exposure leading to pneumoconiosis, and N stands for neoplasm, that is bronchogenic carcinoma, and I stands for infections like tuberculosis, and another C stands for cough variant asthma, another C stands for chronic sinusitis, and O stands for other causes like AC inhibitors, and U stands for unresolved pneumonia. G stands for granulomatous diseases like sarcoidosis, and H stands for hypersensitivity pneumonitis. Thank you.